Hello, welcome once again. So today in this video we will see how media can be added as a material. Now you see this is a horse dancing, and we have a sound and we have a nice visuals. So let us see how we can incorporate this video. Let me reduce the sound. Let us see how we can incorporate this video onto a material. Please like this video if you find it informative and helpful, and yes, subscribe to our channel for more updates. Fine. So here is this Unreal Engine. So before we do that, we need to make a screen, a pretty big screen where we can display the image, and this can be done by taking up any cube or maybe the planer, and then you adjust it, the thickness or breadth or height, whatever. Fine. So let's start. And for that you need to create again the new material. Okay, so here I'm adjusting, right click, and here instead of material what you have to select is basically the media. And media, there is something called the file media source. Fine. So you create it. So here comes the file media source. You double click it. Here what we will do, we will attach the file that we would require. Here is my video. Okay, now what I have done is I have added the media file over here. Save it. And let's go back to the new thing. Now what you will see is, I think we need to increase the size. Okay, so here is the new media file. So again right click it, and again go to media and then select the media player. Here this window will say additional asset to create and link to the media player. Select this and say OK. Now here is this media player. So you name it as a media player. Now double click and open it. What you will see is there are couple of media. So I think I need to select this. Let me select, and so it is being played. Pause, save it, go back. What you will see, I think let me reduce the size over here. Okay, now here you can see that file as a media has been created. You can see this horse. So now what we have to do is, this texture file, I mean whatever you drag, it gets saved as a texture file. Now you drag this texture onto this mesh. So immediately what you will see, a material new media player is created. So you can see this image is placed onto your screen, but it is not moving. Why it is not moving? Because a material has been created but the material is not moving, so it is a static material. So here you can see there is a material which has been created. You open the material and let's see. So here is the material. What you can see is here that this is the texture which has been created. So the material is not moving, or the material is not appearing as a media. Fine. Now what you have to do is, here the blueprint comes into the picture. Now what is the blueprint? Blueprint is nothing but a sort of informations, flow of informations, which says that what the game or what the actor or what the other thing available in the world space will act. Let us see what is it. So we have got something called blueprint class and we have something called level blueprint. We will not get into the detail of either of these. We will simply open the level blueprint. Now what you can see, there are three boxes. Now why this three box, or especially this open source? Because in the main we have selected a media file. So this open source will be there and it will come as a by default. Or you can, let us suppose if it is not available. Say if it is not available, what you can do is you can right click. Here you can type open source. So it is not coming. So in that case, what you have to do is unselect this content and write source. Here is this open source. Fine. Connect. here. Now, what is important is this will give the information that, whenever you start the game or the play begins, something will happen. What will happen? A file which is basically a media player will open, and because here it is connected, so this media player will open. And which media player? Then you have to select the file, whatever is available. After that, once you wired completely, there is something called compile. So you click on the compile, giving the information that whatever has been connected, please play. So save it and go back here. Still it is not moving. Why it is not moving? Because we have not started the gameplay. So here the material starts moving, but unfortunately you cannot hear any sound because we have not added the sound. So Unreal Engine right now, whatever the media, it is only the visual thing which is being captured. We will see how to attach the sound in the next video, or possibly in those videos where we will talk about the blueprint. For time being, what we have ensured that a material, because this is something, a visual material which is moving, and we treat as a material, so we will cover this in this tutorial. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot.